Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up QQ with email. First, ensure you have a working email address ready. This is crucial for the registration process. Begin by downloading the official QQ International application from your device's respective app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once the application is installed, open it and locate the Sign Up or Register button, which usually appears prominently on the initial screen. Click this option to start creating your new QQ account. Next, carefully type your chosen email address into the specified field on the registration form. Double-check it for any typos. After you submit your email, a unique verification code will be sent directly to that inbox. Access your email and retrieve this 6-digit code quickly, as it is often time-sensitive. You will need to enter this code back into the QQ application within about 60 seconds to successfully verify your email address and move to the next step. Now you will input your desired username, which friends will use to find you on QQ. Following that, it is vital to create a strong, secure password, consisting of at least 8 characters and including a mix of letters and numbers. Do not use easily guessable information. Finally, confirm your current country or region from the drop-down menu, as this helps tailor your service experience and adhere to local regulations. As the final step, please take a moment to carefully review QQ's terms of service and privacy policy to understand how your data will be handled. Once you are comfortable, simply check the box to indicate your agreement. Then, click the prominent Register button to complete the entire process and activate your brand new QQ account. Congratulations, you will now receive your unique QQ number, which is your personal identifier on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.